Welcome back to Home Tech Guy. This is Chris. I just wanted to show you a quick thing about Chrome extensions. Have you ever had ads popping up at the bottom of your screen when you open up a Chrome window and it keeps asking you things and telling you about malware programs that you need to download or ads from different websites? I'm going to show you how to stop those from happening. More than likely, it's probably from a Chrome extension, a browser hijacker Chrome extension that you've got on your Chrome browser. So I'm going to quickly show you how to get rid of those and periodically check to see if your extensions are the ones that you know about and are familiar with. Chrome extensions are designed to provide functionality for the Chrome browser, but most of the clients that I have add extensions there that they don't know about, that they didn't know they were adding there. And I'm going to show you a list of them that will give you an idea about what kind of things are usually showing up there. So real quick, let's just come to here. Here's a list of the extensions that you're going to see. And first, I'm going to go to a browser window here. Oh, and by the way, if you want a black background in your browser, you can change those with an extension as well, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If you go to your settings of your browser, so if I went up to the top right of the browser here, here, let me move this out of the way. So if we come to the Chrome browser and you open up a browser window and you want to customize this, up at the top right, here I'm going to minimize myself here. Up at the top right here, if you can see my pointer, the very top right of the screen, there are three dots. That's called the overflow menu or the hamburger menu. If I click those three dots, that's going to be where my settings are. And I'm gonna want to click on that, and this is going to come up. And you see on the left-hand side here, you see a bunch of menu items. One of them here is appearance. And if I click on that, at the very top of the screen here in the middle, you're going to see a theme that I've applied called the Slinky Elegant theme. And I'm going to go ahead and reset this to default so that my new tab here is white. So if you have extensions running in your browser and this Google search doesn't show up the way it's supposed to, and you have some strange search thing here, or you have a strange toolbar at the top of your screen, or you have ads popping up at the right-hand side where my face is here at this area of the screen, what you're going to want to do is go to the extensions, and that's also in that overflow menu. So if you go at the very top right of your screen, all the way up here to these three dots, you click that and you come down to more tools. If you hover your mouse pointer over more tools, you're going to see a little list come up here, and in this menu you're going to see the word extensions. If I click on that, it's going to show me the extensions on my browser. So these are different sort of ride-along companion apps basically that are running while my browser is running. And if they've got this little slider here that's blue, then that means that this extension is active, and I can click on this and it will turn it off. This is a particular extension that I use to make my browser dark. There are a variety of these. Most people don't use these extensions, and if they have them here, they don't know really what they are. One of them here that I like to use is uBlock Origin. If I'm using the Chrome browser, this will help to reduce the amount of clutter on the page. It will block ads from popping up on the page within web pages. It will remove some of those, and so I can turn that off here if I want to and turn that back on. One thing that I can do with these is I can remove this altogether. So I can click this remove button, and that will get rid of this this extension. And I'll just quickly use this as an example. So if I come to this uBlock Origin and I see in here, and I don't know what that is, for instance. So let's say it had a name of like one of these. So these are some browser extensions that are horrible, that you don't want. These are malware. These are bad extensions. Ad offers, advertisements, MapsVoyage. I see that one a lot. MapsFrontier, PDF creators or PDF tools, Pro Media Converter, promotions, anything with these words in it, anything about maps or coupons. There's also some coupon ones here. You've got all of these things that end up in your browser, and if any of them look like this, then you need to remove them, and this is a way to do it. So let's say I saw that one here and I wanted to remove it. All I got to do is open up that extensions tab like I just showed you. So the three dots, more tools, extensions, and then this pops up, and all you got to do is, if you see an extension in here that you don't recognize or you want to remove, all you got to do is click this remove button, and up at the very top right it's going to say remove uBlock origin ? And if I want to report abuse, I can check that as well. If I think that this is something that is nefarious and I want to report it. I'm not going to check that for this one, but I'm going to click remove here, and when I do that, it's going to remove it out of this list, and that box will go away. So I'll click remove,